A chief tutor has been prohibited of his occupation for tricking a fellow in impoverished vision in signature off a £19,000 pay growth. David Archbishop-Rowe, 61, learned at Sutton High School and Expert School in Dudley of 2002 before 2014. A vocational hold pain heard he got the growth in 2013-14 out of the Governor Corps' adoption. Mr. Archbishop-Rowe was those guilty of severe and supported unfairness, a vocational offence Payne found. The domestic school for training and management Payne heard a fellow who signed off the pay growth told she didn't aware which she was signature. They as well saw testimony how Mr. Archbishop-Rowe had transferred out individual consulting job for work several hours, briefed the vice chief tutor to adulterate and texture and unjustly declared further wages payments. He belonging a business named Formation Growth Consulting bounded and transferred out pay, individual job out of the steering executive board's permit. In December 2013, a debunker appeal was done and soon subsequently the high school began an inquiry in Mr. Archbishop-Rowe's behavior. He was hanging in April 2014 and obedient the next monthly. The high school caters for about 160 school students elderly 11 to 16 in mild training difficult situation. In a declaration to the Payne, a fellow outlined Mr. Archbishop-Rowe's 21% pay growth as completely ugly. Mr. Archbishop-Rowe was said by Alan Merrick, operating on name of the Formation Registrar Justine Gardening, how he was prohibited of training indefinitely and would not be capable to use for recovery. Mr. Merrick told The Reality Mr. Archbishop-Rowe had proposed several apologies but no sensible explain for his behavior intended down there was a hazard of repeat in the next.